Hi everybody, today we'll explore customary units of weight. So the smallest unit of weight in the customary system is an ounce. A key weighs about an ounce. The next largest customary unit of weight is a pound. A kitten weighs about 1 pound. The largest customary unit of weight is a ton. A giraffe weighs about a ton. Now there's 16 ounces in 1 pound. And these are the abbreviations for ounce and pound. And there's 2,000 pounds in 1 ton. Now, if I was going to weigh some items, like if I was going to weigh a slice of bread, I would use ounce because a slice of bread is very light. If I was going to weigh a dog, I'd use pounds. If I was going to weigh something like a helicopter, I'd use tons. Now it's your turn to try. Good luck.